Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can run a PHP program directly into browser. In my last video, we had successfully installed Apache on our system. So first of all, as we are using Ubuntu system, so there is a specific directory where we need to put our program first. So we will go where www html. Okay, here we have already created a folder called php. Let's jump into that. Okay, here we have only a one file index.php. Let's open this location into a code editor. Let's create a new file, test.php. These are the PHP tags. We will discuss about it later. Okay, so we can run our program from here and you can see the output, but we want from browser. We want to run it from browser. So how can we do that? Localhost /php /test.php. See, this is the output from the browser. So if we will change something, it will reflect. Let's go again and hit. Here we can see hello guys also coming from here, the two output coming. Okay, so we can also put some here. This code is using for making a new line. As you can see, earlier both output coming into the same line, now they are coming into different line. Just look quite good. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Please like, share, and any feedback in the comment section. Thank you.